Today we have a really special guest, Kyle Nishiyama from Knutson and Associates, and we're at a very special property, and we're going to let you guys hear about what it is we're doing here and getting a chance to learn about all the special amenities of this property.
Thank you so much, Julie. So we're here today. This property is very unique. It's the first time it's ever been listed on the open market, and so that in and of itself makes it very special. But it's sitting on 28 acres. We're just south of Milolii Beach in Honolulu in South Kona district. The Ka'u district is not far from here, but we are still technically in South Kona. The house itself is just shy of 1,800 square feet interior and has about 1,000 square feet of exterior living spaces. So it's really built for indoor-outdoor living, entertainment, and kind of living that farm lifestyle. The design of the home, it's technically a ranch-style home, so it's a single-level home. You walk in, and on the left you have the master, and then on the right, on the other side of the main living spaces, are where the two guest beds are. So your master suite is still pretty private, and you've got ocean views from every bedroom, so that's wonderful. No CCNRs here, no HOAs in this area. You do have access. It's gated from the highway, and then you come down from the highway and there's a second electronic gate at the end of the driveway. So just for added privacy and security, double gated on this side.
Ocean view for days.
Tons of ocean views. You can see coastline and ocean. You'll get year-round sunsets from this property. It does have a heated lap pool, so that's kind of cool too, which is solar heated for sustainability, you know. Beyond that, though, I mean, just some agricultural features that are really cool. There's 12 different avocado trees, 3 or 4 varieties of avocados. There's 3 varieties of coffee. Arabica, Catahoula, and Jamaican coffee can be found here. There's cherries, there's cashews, there's papayas, there's coconuts, there's fig trees, there's dragon fruit. I mean, the list really does go on, and so there's much to be discovered here, and that's what makes it so special. You could literally be, I don't know, maybe an hour to an hour and a half from the airport, so North Kona. But you really would never need to leave your home unless it was like an absolute necessity, because you could live off the land, you could work from home, you have your pool here, there's plenty of exercise and 28 acres of agricultural opportunity. So really just living an active, healthy outdoor lifestyle, you'd be really happy in a place like this. And so that's why I wanted to share it with you guys.
Yay!
And just show it to you. I mean, it's so special. So thank you so much for coming down. We might get to show you guys a couple of little areas of the home. So right now we are just kind of outside enjoying one of the outdoor living spaces. This property does have a solar heated lap pool. Another really unique feature about this property is that it does have an outdoor shower. You're enclosed by this lava rock wall for privacy, but this is a really fun experience, especially if you're coming in off the farm and you don't necessarily want to track mud inside. This area that we're standing in right now is a covered exterior lanai space. It's got dramatic ocean and coastline views. You'll get sunsets here year round. One of the best parts about entertaining out here is you can do some light cooking while you're outside and still stay with your friends near the pool deck or on the exterior lanai. It is on 28 acres. It's zoned A5A, and so it's fully subdividable. The state use is agriculture, but you could technically divide the 20 acres across the driveway into 4 different 5-acre plots. You could build homes there or sell off the land, do whatever you want.
And how much is this?
Oh, thank you. It's listed for 1.8 right now. And just so everybody knows, you know, as we're filming, it is on the market. But get in touch with Julie really soon to see if it's still available, and she'll reach out to me because there's a chance it could be sold by the time you watch this video.